Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to get unbanned on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logging and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, how to get unbanned on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app, click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. You can see here option of report a problem. Click on this option and you will report a problem that you are banned on TikTok. Now you have to click on the account and profile. You will get different options here and you will have to click on editing profile, how to change username, updating name, account by you are not getting that, how to unban, that's why you click on others. After clicking on others, you will see here you are not getting still that how to unban on TikTok. Click on need more help and right here I want to be unbanned on TikTok and then click on submitted. That your problem will be submitted and will be resolved by the TikTok team. You will get notification here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.